धमाल। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली गुड। आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग मजे में रहेंगे। और ये चैनल है जब वहां पे हम लोग जो रेसिपीज हैं, डिफिकल्ट रेसिपीज को इजी करके बताते हैं। वी मेक सिंपल रेसिपीज विच यू कैन ट्राई एट होम। And if you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So today what are we going to do? We are going to do one of the most popular chicken dish across the country, perhaps in the world. India mein we call it chicken lollipop or we call it drums of heaven. But this recipe is done different versions across the country. Some people deep fry it, then they toss it into sauce. Some people just deep fry it, make it crispy and serve sauce on the side. But deep frying is very common in this recipe. And I was sitting with my dad other day and I told him, you like lollipop, should I make one for you? And he's like, no, I don't eat deep fries these days due to age, due to doctor's advice. So today, for him, I'm going to make this recipe without oil or very minimum oil. So we are not going to deep fry it. But that doesn't mean we are going to reduce the flavor of it. We're going to make it very tasty. बहुत ही बढ़िया विदाउट डीप फ्राई करके ये रेसिपी बनाएंगे चिकन लॉलीपॉप को। और ये रेसिपी के लिए आपको चाहिए, पहले सॉसेस और इंग्रेडिएंट्स देख लेते हैं। तो हमने यहाँ पे 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ चॉप गार्लिक लिया है, 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ जिंजर, 1 इंच ऑफ जिंजर है, 1 ग्रीन चिली जिसको चॉप किया हुआ है, 1 टीस्पून ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर है, सम जैगरी है, आप शुगर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, यू कैन यूज शुगर ऑल्सो। आई एम यूजिंग जैगरी और गुड़। आई हैव एडेड लिटिल बिट वाटर टू इट, that's why it is looking like a small paste, but that's a jaggery. Little bit of chopped onion, some corn flour, some spring onion for garnish, some salt, and this is the sauces mix, the oriental sauces or the Chinese sauces. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We need to mix all of these sauces and keep this mixture ready. तो ये सारे sauces mix करके ये mixture ready रखना है। And the most important ingredient chicken wing. जो chicken wing है हम 12 नंबर यूज कर रहे हैं। तो हमारे पास 12 बड़े विंग थे। एक चिकन विंग होता है वो ऐसे होता है, इसको इस जॉइंट पे कट किया हुआ है, बट अभी इसको लॉलीपॉप के कट में चेंज करना है। तो मैं आपको वो भी सिखाऊंगा कि हाउ टू मेक दिस इनटू अ लॉलीपॉप कट। सो देयर आर 2 डिफरेंट पीसेस, दिस वन हैज 2 bones, दिस वन हैज 1 bone. सो आई विल शो यू बोथ ऑफ देम हाउ यू मेक इट। फॉर दिस यू नीड अ स्मॉल शार्प नाइफ and 1 kitchen towel to hold the chicken lollipop properly. So let us start. So first we are using a winglet. You can see there are 2 bones here. So you can just give a small cut here and pull this meat towards you. What this does is this exposes this little bone. Once this bone is exposed, you just have to pull it like this, then hold this bone and just twist it and take it apart. So what this does is now you have 1 bone left and the meat left on the lollipop. Now you just have to give a slit all around like this so that the meat gets loose, and just with the help of knife just bring all the meat down like this. The bone has to be clean. Any excess here, just hold it into the cloth and pull it. Give it one small cut. So this is a clear lollipop and this is the meat. So this is one part which is done. Now we will see how to do the other part of chicken wing which has only single wing. This is much more easier. Place it on the board. Just give a slit all around. And then hold the meat and pull it down. So you can use cloth to hold the wing firmly and pull the meat down. This gives you your second lollipop. Nice and clean. So like this you need to prepare all of them. So all our chicken lollipops are ready, all 12 of them. Just before we start, what we are going to do is we are just going to marinate them with little bit of salt and little bit of black pepper powder. You need to ensure that the lollipops don't have much of a moisture. Lollipop के ऊपर पानी नहीं होना चाहिए. If you want, you can wipe them with a dry cloth also. So they need to be dry. You can just add salt and pepper and mix it. While showing the ingredients, I did not show you these two ingredients. One is star anise and other one is tirfal or Szechuan pepper. So this is the Indian version of Szechuan pepper. We're going to add a tablespoon of oil to wok and we're going to just add these spices to it to get its flavor. So ये हम तेल में डालेंगे ताकि इसका flavor आ जाए. So let us heat our wok now. So whenever you are cooking Chinese food, everything should be near your wok or the gas station. So we have arranged all the ingredients. Always keep a glass of water because Chinese you cook on high flame. But in case you need, you should able to add little bit water also. तो सारे ingredients हमने गैस के पास रख दिए हैं. अभी हम इसमें 1 tablespoon of oil ऐड करेंगे वोक में. ऑयल को अच्छे तरह वॉक में घुमा लीजिए. सो अवर ऑयल इज हॉट. फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी आर गोइंग टू सीयर अवर चिकन लॉलीपॉप्स. So our chicken lollipops are seared nicely. They have got a light brown color. Let us remove them and keep them aside. Now it's time to cook our sauce in the same pan. We want these bits of chicken so they will also give flavor. So keep the wok on medium heat. मीडियम हीट पे वोक डाल के सबसे पहले इसमें हम थोड़ा प्याज डालेंगे और चॉप्ड ऑनियन ऐड इट टू दी वोक. इसी के साथ में हम इसमें जो स्टार एनीस है वो और टिपाल वो भी डालेंगे ताकि जो सॉस है उसमें उसकी फ्लेवर आ जाए. Once your onion gets light color, it's time to add the ginger and the chili. And saute that also lightly. Now it's time to add the chopped garlic and get it nicely sauteed. Now we will add our जैगरी या गुड़ बोलते हैं, आप शुगर भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. हम यहाँ पे जैगरी ऐड कर रहे हैं जिसमें हमने हल्का सा पानी डाला था और इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करके लेंगे. Now it's time to add the mixture of sauces. So all the sauces which we had mixed, let us add them. Now let this mixture mix well. Jaggery sauces has to mix well. इसको अच्छे से mix करके लेना है और थोड़ा 1-2-4 मिनट कुक करके लेंगे. इसमें ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर भी जाएगा. अभी ऐड अवर ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर. Now we will add our chicken lollipops to the sauce and mix them with a light hand. In the same bowl in which we had kept the sauces, I am adding little bit of water and adding it to the wok so that with the steam of this water the lollipops will cook and the flavor will also come into the lollipop. Mix this well and let it cook till it's a nice thick sauce. We'll just cover this and keep for 2 to 3 minutes so that our lollipop cooks through. Now we will remove the cover. The lollipops are almost cooked. We will add little bit of salt to adjust taste. Give it a nice mix. You see, nice sauce is ready. The lollipops have got tossed into it. It's time to add the कॉर्नफ्लोर स्लरी. कॉर्नफ्लोर का जो पानी होता है, पानी और कॉर्नफ्लोर, उसको हम ऐड करेंगे ताकि हमारा सॉस अच्छे से गाढ़ा होके लॉलीपॉप को कोट करे और एक क्विक मिक्स देके बढ़िया रेडी हो गए हैं चिकन लॉलीपॉप. और अभी मैं आपको जो इंग्रेडिएंट दिखाने वाला हूँ, ये इसकी ट्रिक है. लॉट ऑफ शेफ्स दे डोंट टेल यू. दिस इज द टाइम यू ऐड a spoonful of butter to your dish and mix. ये इसको absolutely tasty और delicious बनाएगा. Mix कीजिए and then we are ready to plate it nicely. So our less oily, healthy chicken lollipops are absolutely ready. एकदम बढ़िया बने हैं चिकन लॉलीपॉप. हमने सिर्फ 1 टेबलस्पून ऑयल का इस्तेमाल किया और बहुत टेस्टी बने. मैं चख के भी दिखाऊंगा. लेकिन आपने अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कीजिए. इफ यू आर नॉट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब. वी आर गेटिंग मोर नाइस एंड नाइस रेसिपीज फॉर यू and let us taste it and see. So this is nice and juicy spicy lollipop. Divine, absolutely delicious and spicy and sin free because there is very less oil. So till we meet again with such interesting recipes, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.